warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you children? I hope you are keeping well at home. So today I am going to take your ITFs of standard 3, okay? So standard 3 ITFs, what is given according to your syllabus? Let us see. I have written here. Date also today one I have given 12 August 2021, no? So first today is the first class of your ITFs, is not it? So therefore first class, first chapter according to your syllabus, first chapter only, okay? So therefore what is given? So first up, we have to know about the computer, parts of a computer. No, this chapter was parts of a computer. Parts of a computer. So there are different kinds of parts. There are not. So what are the internal parts or the external parts? So software, system software, and application software also is there. There are two kinds of software, is not it? So therefore, here I have written parts of a computer. So we know that computer are used in different kinds of works in different places. We know that before invention of computer, the work it was very hard. The computer made it easy. Computer made it easier than before. So just like that nowadays in school for audit or accounting, is not it? We need computer. We are using computer. So before it was working more than one people or more than two people, even though 2, 3, 4, 5 people. But nowadays within one computer we can do as like how much they can as the 5 men or maybe 10 men, 10 people, is not it? So therefore it made easier than before, is not it? So just like in airports for ticket, no, there is in computer. In banking also, net banking nowadays, isn't it? In computer they used to press this much you have withdrawn, this one you have deposited, is not it? These kinds of works. And the different kinds of offices, is not it? Different kinds of offices, banking, railway station, airport, is not it? Schools, the different kinds of institution also, is not it? They are using computers for their betterment, is not it? So it improved. So computer made the easier than before. After that, computer is one of the greatest invention of mankind. This is the greatest invention, one of the greatest invention, because it is the very helpful for the human being. It is very helpful for the human being. Next, what is there? I am going through the title of the chapter. Parts of computer. So there are internal parts is there, input is there. After that, processing, output, and then storage. There are 4 kinds of these things are there. Okay, not hardware parts. That is the software parts. This is the not hardware parts. Hardware means what? What can be touched, isn't it? That is the hardware. Suppose this is this board, this whiteboard is there. I can touch it. No, this is hardware. Even I can't touch it. It can be seen, neither seen nor be touched. That is will be software. Such like in our mobile application, different kinds of application software is there or not? Can it touch? We can't touch it. Isn't it? We can open it, but we can't touch it. Physically, we can't touch. Isn't it? That is the called system software, application software. 2 types of software are there. So hardware and software. Hardware can be touched, can be seen, and software neither seen nor touched. Isn't it? So therefore, this is the software, and I am talking about that. Parts of computer is the software. These 4 things are the input. Input, it accepts the data from the user. Suppose here this is the computer. Here this is the computer. No. Suppose one boy is here. What he is giving through the keyboard, through the mouse, whatever parts of a computer are there, it is given according to that. It will come in front of that monitor of the computer, isn't it? That's called input. Input such like if I want to type your name in computer, isn't it? I am typing. My name is Safir Rahman Ahmed. I am typing in keyboard, but it shows on monitor, isn't it? It shows on the monitor. That is, who is the user? I am the user. I am using that now. I am the user, and basically the user used to be the what? Input. I am user. User will be the input. Okay. Input accepts the data from the user. Input was accepts the data. the data from the users, and then processing. There are 2-3 kinds of processings are there. One is then ALU, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and then processing unit. 3 are there. One is there, what is there? Control unit, CU, capital letter will be there, this one. Control unit. Another is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Next is there PC, processing, PU, processing unit. So CU means these three sir belongs to what? Processing only. Okay. CU means control unit. Control unit. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. And the PU, processing unit. And then this unit, it has also different kinds of function. Okay. So therefore, next I am going to output. Output is the what? Output is the one kind of output. That is the output is called. That means suppose I have typed my name before, also I have said that is input. Except from the user. No, I have typed. I would like to print it. I have printed my name. Safir Rahman Ahmed. It has printed. It has been printed. That means it become output. It came outside. No. It release or shows the result. After processing, first input I have accept the data from the user. I have input my name. After that processing. After processing, it become output. Output, it shows the result. Suppose I have typed 2 plus 3 equal what? 2 plus 3 it will be 5. 5 it is shown, isn't it? That is the output. After processing output, it will show on monitor. You can print out. If you want to play a song in computer, after playing, it is to start. It's playing, isn't it? Any song, whatever you can play it, isn't it? It's playing. That is the output. If you want to print out something, after print out, it will be the output. Device also different kinds of devices. And storage, there are 2 kinds of storage are there. One is the RAM and ROM. Another is the primary and secondary. Primary and secondary storage is there. 2 kinds of storage. 2 kinds of storage are there. Primary and secondary. 2 kinds of storage are. Primary means RAM and ROM. Secondary means our hard disk. We used to say my computer is 500 GB hard disk. Is not it? I used to say my computer is only 25 GB hard disk. 4 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB. Is not it? Maybe 100,000. Is not it? As you wish, you can change it also in your computer. Is not it? So this is the primary and secondary memory. And the advantage of computer. Nowadays, computer is a very much speed. Computer is works very fast. It can do billions of jobs per second. Is not it? But it's impossible by human. Is not it? That is good for us. Is not it? That is the advantage of computer. And reliability was the computers are quite reliable. They are not make any mistake. If users is giving mistake, any wrong information, that means that will be the wrong. But even users is giving correct information, that is the correct only. Is not it? Suppose 10 plus 9, 19. I can do mistake. I have written 20. But computer will be given 19 only. Okay? Storage, a computer can store a large amount of data. Which can be used anytime. But sometimes by human, sometimes we used to forget it. No? We used to forget. What is it? I forgot it. We used to say or not? But computer never forgets. Okay? Next is the accuracy. It is the perfect, accurately. Whatever results is shown by the computer after processing, that is correct. That is not wrong. Okay? Accuracy is there. And diligence, a computer can work for a long hours without going tired. After 1 or 2 hours, we used to get tired, but computer never get tired. That is the advantage, no? And then multitasking. Once a time, many works we can done by a computer, but it is impossible for a human being, no? These are the advantages of the computer. Again, many other things are there. So I am not going to take long time, okay? So question answer whatever are there, afterwards I'll try to give, and then I'm writing my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, you can contact me also. Okay. Here my contact 9864979727. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. So here I am going to conclude my class. Thank you.